I do want to send it over to meteorologist Corey Rappenhagen, who is out following the latest on the fires in Yuma. Corey, what are things looking like out there this morning?
Hey, well, it is a cold and windy morning out here in Yuma County. Stiff breeze blowing out of the north, 32 degrees right now. Although the winds are much lighter than they were last night, they actually saw just as strong a wind gust that we saw on the Front Range. We had an 89-mile-per-hour wind gust last night in Akron, and when the main cold front went through at about 7:30, we started seeing some grass fires pop up, and by 9 o'clock we had about 9 grass fires burning across Yuma County, mostly to the south of Highway 34. I'm in Yuma right now, where they were clearly seeing the glow of a large grass fire to the south of here, just as south of Eckley last night. And when we got here this morning in the dark, we could not see that glow, indicating that that is starting to get under control. And the sheriff's office here, that's the way they characterize it, that it is still active. However, the crews out there have it under control. And when I say crews, we're talking about volunteer fire departments and really just local farmers with tractors with discs on them, trying to build lines to get those fires out. So we're keeping an eye on that situation. As the winds, we're still have an opportunity to build as we go through the day today. Until about 5 o'clock tonight, we could still see some of those wind gusts up into the 50-mile-per-hour range, but for the most part right now what we're seeing is 20 to 30-mile-per-hour winds, which is still kind of aggressive for any type of fire behavior. So we do have the winds that will continue, and Katie, it does look like that wildfire or grass fire danger will continue, with possible more warnings coming down the pike for tomorrow.
Absolutely. Corey, thank you so much for your reporting.